Hi there. Welcome to our quick video on sales pipeline. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about sales pipeline to organize, track, and manage your deals in Freshsales. Let's get started. Your sales pipeline is the one-stop place to view active opportunities for your business. Most businesses have multiple sales teams, some catering to inbound leads, others outbound, and so on. It isn't practical to bundle all these different leads into the same pipeline, and that's why you should create individual pipelines for each team. You can view your default sales pipeline in the Deals module. To customize this or create a new one from scratch, head over to the admin settings and click on Pipelines. You can create a new pipeline by either clicking the plus symbol or clicking the Create Pipeline button. Start with giving your pipeline a name. Next, set the time period after which deals will be marked as rotten depending on your sales cycle. Note that this is calculated from the time of the creation of the deal. Next, let's add the deal stages. List the stages in your sales process and also set probabilities for each stage. This helps managers forecast expected sales. For instance, if your first stage is new and last stage is sent price quote, you can increase the probability as it moves through stages. The first stage can have a probability of 10% and the last stage can be at 90%. Once you're done, click Save. You now have a brand new pipeline. You can view existing pipelines in the same window and edit the pipeline by clicking on the Edit button for each pipeline. You can also delete a pipeline by clicking on the trash icon on the pipeline card. If you're deleting a pipeline that has deals in it, then these deals are moved to the first stage of your default pipeline. Each time you visit the Deals module, you are shown a pipeline by default. The default pipeline is set by the admins for an account. Choose the pipeline and check the Mark as Default option. This will be set as the primary pipeline for all users across the account. However, users can choose to set their own personal pipeline as default. From the Personal Settings option, navigate to the Other Setting tab. Here they can set the pipeline of their choice as the primary pipeline. With the Visual Sales Pipeline, you can view all of your deals across stages in one place. You can also understand the expected sales by viewing the forecasted revenue displayed across stages on the pipeline. That's not all. You can move deals between stages using a quick drag and drop action. To mark a deal as won or lost, drag it to the bottom. Individual salespeople can choose to view only their deals by choosing from the list of owners here. Reorder deals by sorting them in an ascending or descending order based on a property like deal value or product type. Now, the deal card is where you can get most of your work done. Simply hover on the deal card to send out a quick email or make a call. You can also edit the deal right from the deal card to update any field values. For each deal, view the status of your tasks by keeping an eye out for these icons. You can see if a deal has an overdue or scheduled task. If there are no tasks scheduled, you can easily add a task from the card itself. Click on a card to view details directly in the pipeline view. In this pane here, you can add notes, create tasks and appointments, and add files. You can also view information on the related contacts. Expanding the contact will enable you to send out emails or make calls from the pane itself. Now, you might be wondering about the red cards here. These are your rotten deals. This makes it easier for you to identify deals that have remained stagnant past your recommended sales cycle. You can choose to view only the rotten deals by clicking on the More option and choosing Show Only Rotten Deals. To switch between pipelines, filter the deal view by deal pipeline and choose the pipeline that you wish to see. This is applicable across both list view and funnel view. You can also easily access your pipeline settings from the settings icon here. From this drop-down, you can choose to set stage probability, deal rotting age, or default pipeline, and also import deals and view the import history. You can also view your deals in the list view. Choose the fields that you want displayed on the list from the Edit Columns option. Drag around the options to reorder them and uncheck the ones that are needed. This way, you can make sure that the most important information is available at a glance. Swipe left to view all the columns. Closing a deal comes with a long list of tasks like sending emails, making calls, or updating records. To help you stay productive, we've made it easy to complete these tasks from the list view. You can update field values using the inline edit option. Hover over the field value and click the edit icon to start updating the field. You can also send out a quick email right from the list. Click on the More option on a record to view the available options like adding a call log, sales activity, appointment or task, view related contacts, clone, delete, or forget the record. However, if one-on-one tasks aren't your thing, you can also choose to perform bulk actions. Select the deals needed and perform bulk actions like email, assign to another sales rep, update a field, update tags, or even delete. And there you have it. Now you know all about your sales pipeline, from creating one to how you can set one out of many different pipelines as the default. Multiple sales pipelines in Freshsales are available from the Garden plan. Happy selling!